Right, so hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to zip and unzip a file in Windows 11. So what you're going to do is just going to open your Google Chrome. So we're going to use an external. There is internal options built into Windows 11, but I like to use one software which helped me a lot. So you're just going to search for WinRAR. Okay, then you're going to go into here and just click on download WinRAR. Okay, here you can just click on download WinRAR. Load, click on agree, then just go into downloads right here, and here you can either download the 64-bit or 32-bit. To check what version you have, you can just open your file explorer right here, right click on this PC and click on properties. That should open your settings, and you can see here your system type, whether it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, so corresponding to that, just download the version. Okay, download it and install WinRAR. So once you have installed, I'm not going to download it since I've already have it installed, so just download and install it, simple as that. So now I'm just going to create a random file with Word. Just gonna open Word, blank document, something nice, file, save as, save it in my desktop, something nice, save, close this, and I should have the file right here. So now I'm going to zip this file. So you're going to right click on it. Okay, if you have WinRAR installed, you should have an option here. Okay, so just hover on that and then go to add to archive. Okay, click on that. Here you're just going to click on zip. Okay, you can split it into different parts file if it's a very big file. If it's not, you can just leave this empty and just click on OK, and then should zip your file. To unzip, just double click on it, just drag and drop. Okay, since I have the file already here, it's asking me to replace, so just replace it. Or if you don't know, if you can't do that, you can just right click on here. Okay, go into WinRAR and then click on extract files or extract here. I'm just going to click on extract here, and the file should be extracted. So that's all for this video, guys. It's a very simple process to zip and unzip a file on Windows. And yeah, if you have any other questions, any other problems, please put them in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So thanks for watching, folks.